Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, students, first of all, let me congratulate you on your success. You have done well. Many of you have got good marks. Yes, students, now this preliminary exam, it was much more difficult than main examination. All of you are very clear about this, that this is more difficult because this is a bar. If you don't cross this bar, you cannot appear in main examination. But now our academy, you're from our academy, there are 14 students who have qualified. And I assure you that all the 14 candidates will become judges. But for that, you are to give up all the activities of life and you are to devote daily 10 hours. And if you start doing that, definitely you will sit on the seat of a judge. Now, it is not difficult. Don't miss this chance because otherwise, no doubt, there are many engagements in your life, many marriages also. You can attend that, but leave that, whatever. If somebody asks you to come to attend this marriage, you attend that marriage after becoming judge. Then that will be a different honor. Now here in front of me, some parents are also sitting. I will also request them that now slightly help me to prepare your children for the post of judges. They will easily get it. Now there is absolutely no problem because daily. Now what is required now? Now the basic requirement is to write each and everything. Your true practice. Unless you practice writing, you will not be able to appear in that. You might have seen earlier when you have not practiced at home what students do in the exam. They start writing the question. When they write 5 lines, then they delete it, they cut it. Why? Because they are thinking that they have attempted wrongly. Why this so? Because you have not practiced at home. But here in the class itself, daily, you have already seen that how many copies you have prepared. A large number of copies are with you. And this is your practice. Because we are to convey to the examiner what in writing. Examiner is not seeing whether you are girl or you are boy, what is your age, nobody knows. Examiner will look your paper and give the marks. Therefore, in coming days, I will improve your handwriting also. Now the choice will be with you also. If you want to sit at home, I will provide you that facility also. Just like we are here, I am here before you, but there are many persons who are attending online. They are sitting online, they are hearing me online because some students, they could not come here. Therefore, now you are to plan from now, today itself. Now say one thing that you will become a judge. No, then there will be absolutely no obstacle, no hurdle in your way. I will remove each and every hurdle because we will discuss each and every question which will be there. You have already seen in the preliminary examination that whatever test you have taken here, they have given the same thing. Why this is so? Because I don't leave any part of the law, any subject of law where the student may be surprised there, because I will complete each and every topic here. Now, from now onward, firstly, I will ask the students who have qualified to come here and they will take oath that what they will do. Yes, please come here. Yes, Harman, Srishti, all who have qualified. Yes, come here, come here. Don't hesitate. No, don't look at back. Don't bother. No, it will be better if you speak. Nothing to worry. They may not speak. Yes, no, he will speak and you are to follow. You have to follow. Now raise your hand. Take this oath. Yes, Jazwan. You can see that. You can watch that. You can see it. This also. Yes.
I state on oath that I shall devote 10 hours daily for preparing Haryana judicial examination, and I shall give up all my activities of life till I take this test, and I shall leave no stone unturned in succeeding this examination with flying colors.
Nice. Clapping for them. Congratulations. Now sit there. Sit there. Yes, students, now you have taken oath. Now you are bound by your oath. I hope you will consider that you are under obligation now. You have taken oath before in front of all. Yes, students, now here in college level. All right. In college level, you may talk something just like gossiping. You might have heard what students say that मैं the गप्पा मारियां सारी. But here it will not serve the purpose. Here your single line will also be read by the examiner. Single word will be read by the examiner. You must have command over grammar of English, because this is the grammar, how you are to convey to the examiner that what is in your mind, what do you want to convey to the examiner. And that is your grammar. If you are not expert in grammar, then it can cause you loss. What loss it can cause you? I'm going to give you small example. Now there was one officer in Punjab who was selected, and he was a young boy. And he was having very less command over English. And when he was working, there was one official who was very trained and who was very expert. He used to serve each and everything. Even he used to sit in the office after office hours, and the officer was very happy with him. Now, when he started writing his confidential report, because after the lapse of every year, the officer is required to write the report of the officials, that how he has worked, what was his character, what was his conduct. And in that report, that officer, what he has done, he has written about his conduct. A very important thing, he has written that he walked hardly. Now he was thinking that through this he is conveying that he is a very hardworking, but it means that he never worked. And what happened? The superior officer, They have called explanation of that official that you have never worked in the office. Please explain why you should not be removed from the service. No, I don't allow my students to do like this. Now that can be done only and only if you are having command over your English. Only this thing. Now how you will have command? Have grip over this grammar, because it is grammar. Rather play with the words, that how these words can be used here and there. Now I used to talk about this also in the class also. Now today itself, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry to go home, because I am having some work for you people because you have taken oath. Firstly, remember that. Therefore, you are under obligation to do each and everything. Now, my other students are also sitting. They will also do something. Now, we will be giving you people 3 questions. Now, one thing is very important. Now, Specific Relief Act and Limitation Act. 2 acts are so important that you must have full grip over each and every section of Specific Relief Act and Limitation Act. Now, examiner may put questions out of both these carrying 70 or more than 70 marks out of 200. Now, here in Haryana, you will be having 4 papers which will carry 200 marks. Now, it is civil law 1, civil law 2, criminal law, then English also 200. Now, there is Hindi paper also. It will carry only 100 because they have increased the marks of interview. Interview marks are 200 there in Haryana, but in Punjab, certainly there is a change. We are having Punjabi paper of 150 marks, and there is an interview of only 100 marks. Now, if you get 60% out of these papers, then certainly you will be selected, because 60% you ought to get here. 50% is minimum requirement. If you get less, you will not be able to, because all of you are coming, you are going to appear in general category. Nobody is allowed to appear in reserve category. Therefore, you will have to get a minimum 50%. If you get less, then it will be failure. Therefore, it is your practice which will really help you. If you say, because many students I have seen that he knows this thing also, by doing I'm knowing this thing also. But when he is asked to write, his pen does not follow, does not proceed further. Why? Because he has not practiced. Many students, they start practicing in the exam because they don't touch in writing. They say that it is a wastage of time, but that is really the art to get good marks and to succeed in the examination and to excel in the examination. Now, within a very short period, maybe they may give time of 2 months, but I will train you 10 days before. We will conclude each and every topic, each and every subject, wherever you are lacking, because it will be up to you that how you will, what you want to get knowledge from me, on which topic and what types. Therefore, you may sit at home, that is, but at home, you will face some problems. Why? Even if you are alone at home and you are writing some question, somebody give a bell and you go to attend. and that person maybe you're very familiar, very personal, very favorite person. You want to spend some time. You will not be doing justice to your studies. That is why whenever you want to attempt a question, come here. We are here. Rather, you will be able, we will give you answer sheet just like they are giving here in the class. Now you will be having today, we will give you 3 questions today. 3 questions, and give them answer sheets. Don't be in a hurry. Now my students who are, who have just attended these classes, they can also give reply. Very easy questions, not difficult question. Therefore, why it is so? Because I want to see that what type of knowledge, what type of more knowledge, guidance is required by you. Therefore, hardly it is the job of only 1 hour. Job. If you are not having pen, we will supply you pen. But I will advise, yes, please don't talk to one another. Silently, you can see that. Now you, wherever you go, you must have pen. Just like a soldier. If soldier is having no gun, how he will face the border? Therefore, that is must. And the questions will be on the board. First, now this is about out of the Limitation Act, because you have already read. Now, yes, SRA and Limitation Act, both you have read thoroughly. Let me dictate you this question. What are the provisions in a Specific Relief Act or relating to, please, at the top? Yes, read that slowly. Dictate them slowly.
Question number 1. What are the provisions in Specific Relief Act relating to suits for recovering possession of immovable property? Discuss with case law.
That is sufficient. Thereafter, should I dictate all the questions? It will be better. Next question.
Question number 2. What is difference between Section 5 and Section 6 of Specific Relief Act?
Yes, I will request the parents of children that you please sit for a while. We will discuss in my room thereafter. Yes.
Question number 3. A filed suit for recovering possession of house number 9 in Urban Estate Phase 1, Jalandhar, against B. Suit was decreed under Section 6 of Specific Relief Act.
It is visible to all. Yes, Nandini, can you read that? Make the font bigger. Font थोड़ा जिहा बड़ा करो इन्हू. 2 पेज ते आ जाए, nothing to worry. So that they may also read. It will be difficult. All right. Let us see. Let me ask. Yes, Lavita, please read first question. I think all of you have written. Anybody who has not written, please raise hand. All right. Second question, I will revise. What is difference between Section 5 and Section 6 of Specific Relief Act? Third question is one example where you have to written its answer. You have to solve that. It is just like a civil suit. Now, A filed a suit. I will repeat that. A filed a suit for recovering possession of house number 9 in urban estate, phase 1, Jalandhar, against B, full stop. Suit was decreed under section 6 of Specific Relief Act, full stop. Now B files a new suit against A for taking the possession of house number 9 back, comma, on the basis of ownership. First stop. Whether doctrine of res judicata will be applicable, comma, if not, comma, what will be the period of limitation for filing second suit, and what are the provisions of law under which the second suit is maintainable. Yes, students, you ought to complete all these 3 questions within 50 minutes. Here, listen to me. Many students, when they appear, they come out saying that they could not attempt 2 questions. They have left 3 questions. Therefore, listen to me. Yes, Varis, first listen to me. Now here, make some principle that if the question carries 10 marks, devote only 8 minutes. Don't go whether it is of a full page, it is small, nothing to worry. Whenever 8 minutes are going to conclude your answer, because you have to take next. Otherwise, you will not be able if you are devoting more time. It means if the question now here, question is carrying 20 marks, don't give more than 16 minutes. Make that principle, because otherwise you will not be able to attempt all the questions. You will not be able to get good marks. Therefore, now your time will start now. You please start this writing. Now here, one thing more. You are to write at least one authority, one case law in that. If you are not having knowledge, nothing to worry. Then you should write each and everything which is relevant. Don't write anything which is not relevant. Gapni marni koi bhi hai. That will not serve the purpose. Otherwise, you will get less marks. And tomorrow you will come to know that how many marks you have obtained. All right, please start doing that. Yes, Ashok.